Okay, so let's start. So if you are enrolled in my coaching center, or if you are planning to enroll for 2023, then we are starting the class on 15th Feb 2022 for the preparation of 2023. So you don't have to bother about the test series, because I will be providing you amazing test series with proper detailed solution, and after every class, and whenever I will tell you to solve the particular test series, then after test series, every evening we will be having discussion also for the test series. Okay, and you'll be having so many number of test series. Like in 2022 batch, I have given 250 test series. In that, 15 full length test series were there. And of course, for 2023 students, this test series number I will try to make 500 plus possible, as max as possible, 300 plus possible, 400 plus possible. Right now I cannot commence that part, but whatever test series I am having, in that all types of questions are different. Every question is different than other question. It's not like I have a formula and on that formula I have created 10 questions. You can ask to any previous batch student, any student, they will give, because see, I will tell you one thing. If you are not my batch student, or if you are not planning to enroll in my coaching center, or you are planning to do for the self study, then topic wise test series plays very important role, because topic wise test series makes your concept very clear. But one more thing, whenever you are purchasing test series, subscription test series from any coaching center, either from me or from anyone else, see, main thing, first thing, solution should be there. Solution should be there, and test series should be error free. You should not have error in the test series. Now why? Because first thing, in my test series I don't have any error. How? Because see, whenever I am releasing any test series for 2022 batch student, same night, in the class we used to discuss our test series properly in detail. So there we rectify all the errors, even if we have, like almost, from my side, when I solve any, because I make my test series by my own, and amazing test series. Whoever has taken the test series, they are saying, sir, you can go to my online test series, that playlist is there. In that you can find out a lot of audio calls and recordings, and you can have the feedback. Now come to the point. If you are planning to purchase test series from any other coaching center, see, first thing, number of test series matters, like how many number of test series you are solving. But in that number of test series, questions should not be same in the sense, like for example, if you are solving any question in which you have to calculate bending stress, then it should not be like, okay, bending stress, bending stress, bending stress, bending stress, bending stress, only by changing the data test series is being formed. Actually, I have some test series from, I don't want to reveal the name, or otherwise it will be trouble. There they have given same thing. In orbital mechanics, they have given 20 test series, and in that 20 test series, all questions are repeated. Repeated means just by changing the data, they have repeated the question. Change the data, repeat the question. Change the data. Now see, it affects the business strategy. I will tell you why, how. Actually, what happens? Uh, it will sound bulky. Number of test series, how much? 150. How much? 100. How much? 250. So it will sound bulky, but what is inside, that matters. Okay, so you should make sure, you should ask to the owner of the coaching center, or you should ask to some previous batch student, and then you should decide which is. I'm directly telling on YouTube that questions are different in my test series. You will not feel that the first question is based on the next question is based on the previous question, or questions are different only data wise. No, it's totally opposite. My test series is having like very good qualityful questions. Quantity is also there, quality is also there. And of course, when you are joining for the 2023 in my coaching center, then you don't have to worry at all. But if you are enrolled somewhere else, and like many students, they have enrolled in some different coaching centers in Chennai, in Bangalore, and Delhi, but they have taken my test series as well, so they are happy with that. And their feedbacks are also I have uploaded on YouTube. You can go through that. So test series, how will you select? First thing, how many number of test series are there? At the same time, you make sure questions should be solved. It's not like only question is there and the key is there. Key should be there and solution should also be there. In my test series, what happens, when you submit the test series, you will be having question, you'll be having solution, you'll be having correct answer, you'll be having your response. So it is there properly. and it takes so much time to create one test series. To create one qualityful question, it takes time. I have given complete 1 year. I sat in library. I have gone through all standard books for different things, and I have used my own IQ and I have used my own humor to create a very good quality test series, and I have given that. I am done with that. So test series is amazingly ready, and it is available on website. If you are looking for 2023 test series, then you can contact me. You should go to description. If you are very new to my channel, go to description. You have so many playlists there. You watch any playlist as per your interest, and then contact me using my phone number given in description. Okay, you can WhatsApp me and you can ask me. One more important thing, on 15th Feb 2022, we are starting new batch for 2023 preparation. Okay, so all types of courses what I am offering this year for aerospace, GATE aerospace preparation, those courses, that is also available in the link. That video you watch clearly, you will be having all types of course detail, and once you are comfortable with you can pick one course, and then you contact me and I will give you all the fees details regarding. So some students, they pay in one installment, I mean in one time. Some students go for installments. So all those things we will discuss once you are ready to join the coaching center. So, and one more thing, if you are planning to prepare for GATE aerospace, start with me in Feb itself from 15th. You should not delay. This year I have got admission Feb month, March month, April month, December month. What is this? I'm not saying that it is bad, but I am saying if you are very sure that you have to prepare for GATE exam, you prepare for GATE exam on time. Start preparation on time, because you have to cover a volume. We have to cover a length of the portion. So if you will not start preparation on time, then you will rush yourself. Then there is no meaning of. Already you will be having. So see, like in my classroom, so many people they joined very late. So this year they will continue, and there are so many people, they have taken my 5K offer course. From that batch also many students will continue with on the first day of the like when I am starting 15th Feb, that day they will start with me. So that's all. I'm clear from my side. I have explained everything. Main was about the test series. If you are willing to take test series, call all the institute, talk to them properly. Test series should not be very costly. It should be like decent range, and at the same time number of test series should be more and more. Like I said, I will be in for 2023 students. Definitely I'm going to make 400 plus, like some additional test series I will add in that, so that you can do more practice. But all qualityful test series, 250 test series, they are amazing. They are sufficient. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.